What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have a 3-story, 9-bedroom, 8-bathroom house for rent in the exclusive neighborhood of Farringdon Heights, Kingston and St. Andrew. This home is very close to Jacks Hill and is an award-winning architectural design home. The home is currently priced at US 12,000 or Jamaican $1.87 million per month. I know probably you might be saying the rent is really high, but this home is mainly for executives with business schedule looking at extensive stay in the hills of Jamaica on business or vacation. This home is a little over 10,000 square feet and the land area is approximately 87,000 square feet. There is 5 private carpet suites and 1 master carpet suite, inclusive of private meeting rooms, each fully furnished with king and queen size beds, split AC units, mini fridge, and high-speed Wi-Fi. On the ground floor, there is a custom-built kitchen with high-end fixtures. There is an entertainment room with pool table and access to the swimming pool and garden. The upper floor has conference room, gym, and additional features of this home includes solar system, porcelain and wood tiling throughout, jacuzzi, standby generator, alarms, and security cameras. Now let's take a look at this house and remember to leave a comment and let us hear your thoughts.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.